But she believed in her heart that she would be healed, and she touched just the hem of Jesus' garment.
She went home praising the Lord.
She went home.
She went home praising the Lord.
Yes, she went home.
She went home
praising
the Lord.
Yes, she went home.
She went home
Having received something from Jesus.
the Lord.
The multitude